Good morning, boys and girls. Right now I'm doing this video while you are practicing your multiplications. It's the first time I do it in the morning. So I do it until right now because it's just a little reminder on subtractions, and I am going to give you another clue on how you can do it. So let's do just these two examples today. Let me choose green color to show it to you. So remember, we always begin with the ones, okay? Let me actually bring a shape. Where are the formas? So I can cover, as I have told you. Not that one. So I can cover, as I have shown you, until the ones. We just look at the ones, okay? Remember, we always look at the ones, begin at the top. You can use your eraser, a Post-it, or just cover it with your fingers, okay? So let's read it. 2 minus 6. Can we do it? 2, take away 6. No. So we are going to borrow from the tens. Now, this is the clue I want to give you today. Remember, I have told you you can also make it like a story. Imagine you have 2 pesos, but you want to buy some chips for 6 pesos. So you're going to go to the back to ask your mommy for one more, one group of 10, okay? That means we're going to regroup. So mommy, that has 4 pesos, she's going to give you 1. This is the clue that I want to give you. Instead of crossing the number and repeating it on the top, the same number, you can still do it like that. That's the way they tell you to do it in the books. Repeat the 2 again, okay? Because we still have 2, but we just bring 1 from the other side. So you put the 1. That 2 becomes the same 2, but with a 1, it becomes a 12. So instead of crossing it out, you can just put the 1 next to the 2 if you want. That's a little shortcut, we call it, to make it faster, okay? So the one that you borrow, that you bring the other way, because it's backwards here, the one that you bring, you can just put it on the side, and you see it becomes a 12. But yes, you have to remember that the 4, yes, we changed it, because we had 4, mommy had 4 pesos, but she gives you 4 pesos, but she gives you 1. Now she has 3. So put the 3 at the top, okay? Especially today, it's going to help you to do this shortcut. So, because we're going to regroup a lot, almost in all the places, we're going to change the numbers. So now that we finished, yes, we can subtract here. So now it's 12 minus 6 is 6. 3 minus 8. 3 take away 8. Can we do it? No, right? So we're going to borrow or regroup again. So now here, let me change of color just so every time you see it different. So here, now, mommy wants to buy some fruit, but it's 8 pesos and she only has 3. So she's going to tell daddy from here in the hundreds if daddy can give her one group of 100, okay? So we cross out daddy, the 3. He's now going to be 2 because he gives 1 to the 3. You see how it helps you, this little shortcut? Instead of crossing the 3 again and putting 13 on the top, you can just put the 1 next to the 3, okay? It's up to you. Or you can completely cross out the 3, put it again at the top, but with the 1, okay? This is the little shortcut. If the 3 gives you 1, just put it here, super close to the 3. So now it is 13. 13 minus 8, that's another way of subtracting. I put 10, and I know that outside I have 3 more, because it's 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's another way you can subtract. You count the 3 outside first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 5 left. Do you see how I took away 8? First 3, 1 outside, 1, 2, 3. I even counted 1, 2, 3, and continue 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I have 5 left. And now 2, sorry, 2 minus 5. Do you see that now we are regrouping on all the places? That's why the title today is regrouping thrice. We already borrow here, we already borrow here, and we are gonna regroup again. So 2 take away 5, I cannot do it. So finally, I'm gonna finish and borrow from, imagine, let's call it grandma. Okay, so now daddy has 2 pesos and he wants to buy, I don't know, a sandwich for 5 pesos. So he says, oh, I don't have enough. Let me ask grandma. So the 2, daddy asks grandma here for one group. Okay, let me change it of color to blue, just so you don't get confused. When you do it, you don't change of color, okay? So grandma has 8, but now she's gonna have 7 because she gives 1 to daddy. So now daddy, actually let me leave it with red with daddy. The 1 that we bring, we put it next to the 2. That means now we have 12, okay? So 12 take away 5, let's do it the other way I told you. It's 10, 11, 12. 2 are outside. So let's take away, begin with the ones outside and take away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 5 left. Okay? Yeah. No. 12 take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know why I took away 7. So it's 12 and take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 7. Okay? I took away 7 because I saw the 7 at the top. 12 take away 5 is 7. And finally, 7 minus 2, 5. Do you see how I change actually all the numbers in this one? All my numbers change. So yes, sometimes that is going to happen. But do you see why this little shortcut of just putting the number next to it, it helps? But still, look, here I cross it because first it was not a 3, it became a 2. Okay, let's do the next one just for more practice. So let me bring my little square to help us. So here, 3 minus 9, I cannot do it, so I borrow from here. I'm gonna do it faster. So mommy now has 5 because she gives 1 to the 3. So now it is 13. So 13 minus 9 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 4. Or remember, you can count from 9 to 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's 4. Now 5 minus 4, yes, we can do it. Yay, we don't have to regroup here. Is 1, okay? Now 0 minus 9, we cannot do it, so we borrow from here. Now this is gonna be 6, and the 1, we just put it next to the 0. So 10 minus 9, 1, 6 minus 2, 4. This one was easy. Understand? So this short video was just for you to show you this little shortcut. So now go and do it as you prefer. Okay, see you in the class.